in the future, and also start my career right now by doing crowd one because I can really see the future of crowd one. Ayan. Try to keep your mind open to possibilities and your mouth closed on matters that you don't know about. Limit your always and your nevers. Ayan. In presenting this business, alam ko po lahat tayo member na dito, in presenting this business, it is important that before we start, you always open your mind to accept the knowledges. Napapasukan natin yung mga knowledges because no matter how I interpreted this business, how I send the information to you, kung hindi nyo po tatanggapin, is worthless po yun. So, let's take our time or let's make our time worth it. Papasukan nyo po lahat yung sasabihin ko po sa inyo. And this is a reminder that always, limit your never. No? Always limit your never. Let's be open for growth because most of the successful people, sila po yung mga taong open for growth or open for innovations and all. Bakit? Because pag hindi ka nakikisabay sa panahon, pag hindi ka nakikisabay sa uso, or hindi ka nakikisabay sa agos ng agos sa pagiging successful, mapapag-iwanan ka. Ikaw, kaya ka nga na dito sa webinar ito is because you want to be successful. So if you want to be successful, then be open for growth. No, be open for possibilities, be open for learnings because the more you learn, the more you can earn. Ganyan po talaga sa sistema ng business. The most successful people are the people who have knowledges and hard work. Pag pinagsama po 'yan, I don't know, no? I don't know if you can if you will still fail or you will not achieve your success in the long term or in the near future. Yan. We all know the importance of passive income. How? Isipin pa lang po natin what happened during pandemic or what happened if you lose your job. No? Especially po nung nagka-pandemic, marami pong nawalan ng tao. Ay, nawalan po ng trabaho. I'm sorry. Marami pong nawalan ng trabaho. And those people po na nawalan ng trabaho is usually the breadwinner of the family. So imagine the struggle of their family and struggle of them. Because they have the responsibility but they lose their job. So that's why they lack the capability to help their family, and that makes them makes their mind open in the thought of having passive income. So what is active income and what is passive income? So when we say active income, this is the income you earned while you work. So ibig sabihin dito, if you work, you got earnings. Ganito talaga yun eh. Pag nagtrabaho ka, may earnings ka. And lahat naman po ng business is nag-start sa active income. Lahat ng tao mag-i-start po sa active income. But the difference is that not everyone, not every income earners can be a passive income earner. Marami po dito na employee and they are their entire life revolves around being an employee. Why? Because if they did not work, they don't have earnings and they need earnings to spend. No, ganun talaga sa buhay. Kahit sabihin mong hindi ganun kahalagang pera, mahalaga pa rin po yan. Bakit po? Because that money is the thing that you use para mabili yung basic necessities to support your family, to support yourself and all. No po? But when we say passive income, no po, no matter kahit mag-retire ka, kahit nga parang workout mo siya in 3 to 5 years, you get the chance to have this passive income. And what is important about passive income? Because passive income is the income that you receive without working. O kahit na hindi ka na nagtatrabaho, hindi ka lumalabas, may dumadating sa yung income. And the business that I am going to present to you is a business wherein first thing and foremost, syempre magiging active income earner ka muna. And then in the near future, I am claiming that in the near future I will become a passive income earner. Kung saan kahit anong mangyari, kasi 'di ba nung nagka-pandemic, we did not expected pandemic, maraming nawalan ng trabaho. And dire-diretso expenses, pero wala kang income. Pero pag meron kang passive income, kahit magka-pandemic man or meron unexpected na pangyayari kung saan mawawalan ka ng trabaho, hindi ka mararatel na maghahanap ka kung saan ka makakuha ng pambayad sa mga expenses mo. Why? Because kahit hindi ka makalabas or kahit hindi ka magtrabaho, magkakaroon ka ng income kasi passive income earner ka. Yan. And then that's when people see the goodness or the beauty of online business. Why? What is the benefits of having an online business? First, when you are in an online business, you have a global access. 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Yan. The difference between being an employee and having a business here in Cloud1 is that, 'di ba? Maraming employee po na their work is say for example 2 to 3 times a day, a week, 2 to 3 times a week. Tapos yung salary nila is ranges from 400 to 500. So in a week, meron lang silang 1.5 na kita. No, 3 days lang sila nagtrabaho. But ang kagandahan, pag online business ka, dahil nga online tayo, hindi mo kailangan na wala kang boss. Wala kang boss. Isipin mo dito sa business, wala kang boss. Ikaw magde-decide kung ilang beses ka magtatrabaho sa isang araw, sa isang linggo, at ilang oras ka magtatrabaho sa isang linggo. Yun po yung kagandahan ng online business. And then, isa pa, global access. Global. No, walang nagli-limit sa iyo kasi 'di ba ang kaibahan kapag yung business mo is traditional business, may limit ka, no? Kalimitan mo sa mga nasa online or nasa Facebook or something. Or kahit sa mga Jollibee or halimbawa dito lang, no? Hanggang ganito lang po ang mabibigyan namin ng produkto namin. Hanggang dito lang po. So pag online business ka, global ka, no matter kahit saan ka pa, parang Shopee po yan, no? Pag nag-order ka, halimbawa ako nandito sa San Pablo, pero in-orderan ko nasa, say for example, nasa Manila, nasa Malayo, nasa Visayas, makakarating po sa akin because this is an online business and everyone can, we can communicate online, no? Tapos yung makakarating yung produkto anytime and anywhere. And improve client service through greater flexibility. Client service, dahil nga we have the edge, dahil nga 24 hours a day tayo, 7 days a week. So anytime pwede tayong i-kontakin yung ating client. Anytime pwede natin kontakin yung ating client, vice versa. And nakagandahan po kasi nun, if there availability, hindi gabi pa yung availability na, no? Pag online business kahit gabi pwede kayo mag-usap. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman kailangan na puntahan mo siya. No po, iyon po yung kagandahan ng business pag online. And then cost savings. Bakit? When we have traditional business, naggagastos pa po tayo. Gumagastos pa po tayo ng malaki sa pwesto kung saan natin itatayo yung business natin. Renta, dun sa pagtatayuan ng business natin. But if our business is an online business, we do not have, para gumastos pa dun sa pagtatayuan mismo ng business natin, maggagastos tayo ng rental, mga na magbayad ng kuryente, tubig na gagamitin natin sa business na yun. But if it is a online business, makakatipid po tayo. Hindi natin kailangan na yung kikitain natin, ibabawas pa natin, ibabayad natin sa renta at sa mga kuryente yan. Hindi na po kailangan natin bawasan yung kita sa mga babayarang ganon. Bawas po yung expenses na ilalabas natin from our profit or sa mga kinikita natin po, from our savings or earnings. And faster delivery of products. Ito na po. Simulan ko na yung pag-i-introduce ng business natin. This business po is a digital business. So when we say digital, we do not have to wait sa mga sa career ng produkto natin. Bakit? Because once we send the link of our product to that, kahit nasa panig pa siya ng mundo, within minutes, darating sa kanya yung produkto. Yun ang kagandahan ng business natin. We do not have to wait for weeks or days para ma-receive nila yung product. No. In an instant, in a couple of minutes or in a couple of hours, okay na-receive na nila yung produkto. Ano pang kagandahan nun? Siyempre, pagka ganun yung pagdating ng produkto, wala na silang choice. Pag naisipan nilang bilhin yung produkto mo, mababawasan na yung span ng oras pag-iisipan pa nila kung bibili ba nila o hindi. So in an instant, once they think that they want your product, grab that opportunity. Grab that opportunity na ibigay mo agad yung produkto mo. And from that, bawas po yung possibility na mag-back out pa sila from buying your product. Ayun po talaga yung kagandahan. Because if you are familiar with Shopee, pwede tayong mag-cancel pa po doon ng order. But in this digital business, wala nang cancellation. Bakit? In an instant po, once you want to buy that product, isasend mo yung link mo, isasend mo yung link in order to buy that product. Automatically po, mapapurchase na po nila yun. And the span of thinking is lessened. So, mas mabilis tayo magbebenta ng produkto dito. But ang kagandahan dito, wala tayong tangible products. Our products are digital and online. And from that pa lang po, we have an edge. Bakit? Kasi sumasabay tayo sa panahon. And sabi ko nga kanina, ang mga successful na tao ay yung mga taong sumasabay sa agos ng panahon. Bakit? Because they are open for innovation at they are close to success. And increase professionalism. And pag online business, syempre more learnings yan. From traditional, nag-shift ka into online business. Ibig sabihin, may mas nadagdagan yung natutunan mo. And that is okay. That is a good sign. And opportunities to manage your business from anywhere in the world. And this business that I am going to introduce to you is a worldwide business, is in international business. So kahit saan panig ng mundo, pwede ka mag-business. And it doesn't have the need para puntahan mo pa yung ganitong lugar. No, this is an online business where you can work out anywhere and anytime in this world. Yan. Because this business is a 100% mobile business where you can do this business anywhere, anytime, and anyone can do this. So imagine that your phone po is usually ginagamit natin for leisure, for communication. Why not use it para kumita ka? No, para magkaroon ka ng pagkakakitaan. Imbis na yung cellphone mo na gamitin tapos bumababa yung presyo niya, gamitin mo siya ng gamitin tapos kumikita ka. Hindi ka lang gumastos pambili ng phone, hindi ka lang gumastos pambili ng data, hindi ka lang gumastos pambayad ng wifi. No, gumastos ka pambili ng wifi, pambili ng data, pambili ng phone, pero may darating sa yung income. So maximize natin yung mobile phones natin, no? Huwag na natin hayaan na bumaba yung value nila. And pagkakitaan natin yan, take advantage of having a cellphone, no po? And dito we earn euros through our smartphone or bitcoins. So ano pong kagandahan when we are earning euros even if we are here in the Philippines? Di para tayo nag-OFW, di ba? Para tayo nag-OFW, but ang kagandahan dito, we do not have to migrate, parang mali yung term. Hindi natin kailangan umalis parang bansa or malayo sa pamilya natin. Imagine that you are earning in euro and spending in peso. Bakit ba nag-iibang bansa yung mga tao? Because yung palitan po ng currency, pag nasa ibang bansa po nila, pag dito nagagastusin sa Pinas or pinadala na po nila sa Pilipinas, is malaki na yung equivalent. And that equates to higher income. So imagine if you are in this business na kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, you are earning in euro and you are spending in euro. So para ka nag-OFW, but advantage with that is that hindi ka lumayo sa pamilya mo at hindi ka lumayo sa comfort zone mo. And that's is the goodness of this business. And this business for your references as legitimacy or something, ito po, that we have a headquarter that is established in Madrid, Spain. So our company name is Impact Crowd Technology, or what we call Crowd One. And this is based in Madrid, Spain. So imagine niyo yung mga papeles na nilakad dyan, dun pa lang makikita nyo na yung legitimacy of this business. And from thinking that this business is an international business, no, ang daming bansang tumanggap dito. Ang daming iba't ibang nationalities ang members ng Crowd One. So imagine the legitimacy of this business that we are currently, mamaya ko pala sasabihin kung ilan na tayo, parang may excitement. And to further, meron tayong mga current offices sa South Africa, sa Sweden, sa Spain, at sa England. So hindi ako nagbibiro na sinabi kung tayo ay international. So imagine in those countries, and our company is targeting to expand, para lumaki pa. Gusto niya mas marami siyang maabot na bansa para mas marami siyang maabot na tao. Magkakaroon pa tayo sa Colombia, sa Brazil, sa Nigeria, sa Hong Kong, at sa Kenya. And in my research, recent learnings, magkakaroon po tayo sa Dubai na napakalaking office doon. So imagine the papeles na nilakad po nila doon, kakaroon pa, sobrang laki po ng office doon. So hindi naman po basta-basta magkapatayo ng office sa Dubai, lalo na pag business pa yung itatayo doon, if it is not a legit business. So pag-isipan mo na, nagtataka ka ba or nagdadalawang isip ka kasi maraming sinasabi yung mga walang alam? No. Sa amin ka maniwala kasi kami yung may alam. That this business, kita nyo pa lang na meron pa tayong offices in different countries na it is planning to expand. Mag-isip-isip ka na, if this company is planning to expand, ibig sabihin, you being a member of this company, mag-e-expand ka din kasi sa paglago ng kumpanya, sa paglago din ng mga members niya. And yan, pakilala ko na kayo sa founder. So, if you are still thinking, ito na, para mas maniwala ka, meron tayong founder at meron tayong CEO. Yung kumpanya natin may founder at may CEO. So, sino ba yung founder natin? So, ang founder natin is Mr. Jonas Eric Corner. So, 20 plus years na yung expertise niya dito sa network marketing. So, this is a multi-level network marketing na po. So, imagine that the person, itong taong to, 20 years na yung experiences na dito, meaning, marami na siyang knowledge about this business. Marami na siyang alam. And if that knowledge is used in this business, imagine niyo na lang kung paano niyo pinapatakbo yung kumpanya. At ang kagandahan pa dito, si Mr. Jonas Eric, nakilala niyo ba yung founder ng Facebook? Si Mark Zuckerberg. kaibigan niya to, si Mr. Jonas. Si Mr. Jonas, ang isa sa mga IT expert ni FB. So imagine the success of Facebook. And his knowledge that is put into work into Facebook, nagagamitin niya naman ngayon sa Cloud1, no, sa company natin. So imagine the future of this company. And isa pa, si Mr. Jonas Westerdale. Siya po yung ating CEO, our newest CEO. Sino ba si Mr. Johan Westerdale? Siya lang naman. No, siya lang naman yung tumalo. Dati kasi meron siyang meron siyang multi-level network marketing, but ang company na yun is tangible products yung binebenta. So kinalo niya lang naman yung Avon, no? Kinalo niya lang naman yon. So imagine that this person have a lot of capability in ranking up or in doing this business. And we are under him. He is one of our leaders. If our leaders is that good, I can guarantee you that if our leaders are good, our company is in good hands. Po. Within 2 years or months lang ata, we rank up as number 1. No, we rank up as number 1. Within 2 years or within months, imagine that this Cloud1 is new, is a new business in this industry. But within that short span of time, nag-number 1 tayo according to Alexa. Now, imagine the future of this business with these two as our founder and our CEO. And this business, kanina pa sinasabi digital products. Digital products, bakit? Para tayong Alibaba over Booking.com. Or for better understanding, mas familiar tayo sa Shopee at sa Lazada. So si Shopee at sa Lazada, wala silang sariling produkto, wala silang tangible products. But they are a platform wherein sila yung nag-a-advertise ng mga products and services na meron sa Shopee at sa Lazada. See, for example, di ba sa Shopee, when you search a product that you want to purchase, when you search a product that you want to purchase, lalabas sa maraming items na iba't iba yung seller. But saan ka nag-order? Sa Shopee. Sa Shopee ka nag-order. So, ganun din si Crowd1. Tayo lang yung nagmamarket ng products and services ng mga sellers or ng iba't ibang kumpanya. So, si Crowd1 wala siyang tangible products, but he markets the products and services of its partner companies. Yan, na yun po si Crowd1. And currently po, within 2 years, 30 million lang naman po ang members ni Crowd1. Within 2 years, 30 million na yung mga competitive members ni Crowd1. So ano pong kagandahan if you are 30 million? Bakit? Bakit ba nakikipag-partner sa ating mga partner companies natin? Because these 30 million people are the projected customers ng mga partner companies natin. We are the projected customers of our partner companies. And those partner companies, syempre, if you have meron ka na agad potential na customer, syempre, 30 million potential customer mo na agad, but hindi mo pa i-grab. That's the main reason why marami pang gusto makapag-partner kay Crowd1. And especially isa pa, dagdag ko pa, 30 million, bakit ko sinasabi? Bakit? Kasi marami nang naniniwala kay Crowd1. And marami na rin ang binabago yung buhay ni Crowd1. But one thing is, bago ko pa sabihin or bago pa akong patuloy sa presentation ko is I want to keep in your mind that being this Crowd1 is opening an opportunity for you. It's unleashing opportunities for you to earn. Hindi automatically na if you became a part of Crowd1 is yayaman ka, but ang kagandahan dito, if you became a part of Crowd1, we as a leaders, we as the persons who invited you or who referred Crowd1 to you, i-guide ka namin para mas matuto ka pa dito sa business natin para lahat tayo is mag-earn. And ayan, this is our current partner companies. So, let's start with LifeTrends. Si LifeTrends, ayan, account ko po yan. Si LifeTrends is an online booking kung saan dyan tayo nagbo-book ng mga pag nagta-travel tayo. So, dito ang kagandahan kay LifeTrends, if we are a part of Crowd1, when we book a flight, when we book a hotel, or sabi nga, car, or car rentals, or cruise rentals, pag tayo ay nag-book dito kay LifeTrends, may discount, May discount. And ang kagandahan pa dito, if you book in some booking companies, say for example, Booking.com, pag doon ka ba nag-book, may babalik basta yung commission, meron o wala? Di ba wala? But if you are a part of Crowd1, imagine that you are spending in your traveling to enjoy your life. You want to enjoy your life. But upon enjoying your life, nagkaroon ka pa ng discount, sa gagastusin mo. Plus, nagkaroon ka pa ng commission. Bakit? because you are a member of Crowd1. And ganun po yung kalakaran natin dito. Ano pang kagandahan ni Life Trends? When you became a part of Crowd1 and may access ka kay Life Trends, pwedeng ikaw yung mag-book no sa sa mga hotels or traveling ng mga kaibigan mo para ka na nagkaroon ng online traveling agency. Magkano bang ginagastos pagka meron kang traveling agency pag hindi dito kay Crowd1? So, most probably 35,000 plus. Small traveling agency pa lang na. But here in Crowd1, you became a part of Crowd1, you got a chance to access live threads, pwede mong siyang gawing travel agency wherein ikaw yung bubuk para sa mga kakilala mo na gusto mag-travel or mag-book ng hotel or mag-book ng car rentals or mag-book ng cruise. Tapos, ang kagandahan dito, dahil discounted ka, pwedeng yung discount doon sa pinagka-book mo, isa yun na mapunta. Plus, meron ka pang commission doon. And that's the goodness of Life Trends. Meron pa tayong kasunod na partner companies. We have Mindo. So, ano pong kagandahan ni Mindo? Bakit ba ako magiging partner Crowd1? Because of Mindo. Because we all know, sabi ko nga kanina, pag yung hard work natin or yung eagerness natin na kumita ay sasamahan natin ng knowledge, it is impossible na hindi pa tayo maging successful. Bakit? Because knowledge plus hard work is equals to success. So, isipin mo may alam ka na, tapos masipag ka pa or mayroon ka motivation to do something or to earn, no? Imagine mo na lang yung future mo as a person with a goal. No po. Ang kay Mindo po, nag-o-offer siya ng online courses. Hindi lang po to about real estate, no? Hindi lang about establishing a business or something. Kasi dito, syempre nga, sabi nga nila, if a person is, kailangan niya magpalakol, no? Within 4 hours, he will spend 2 hours sharpening the axe. Bakit? Kasi pag mas matilos yung yung axe mo, yung pangputol mo sa puno, mas mabilis mo siyang magagawa. Ganon din po yun sa business. If you are equipped with knowledge, mas magaling mong magagawa or mas maayos mong magagawa yung gagawin mo. And this Mindo is helping you. Why? If you want if you are having a hard time na i-share yung business natin, if you're having a hard time with motivation, ayan, finding motivation, meron tayo Mindo. If you're having a hard time communicating with people or sharing these people to other people, build your audience, nandun din kay Mindo. Or work or life balance, if you're having a hard time balancing your life or your hours in a day, in doing works or in doing or having a life, ayan, work or life balance. So this business si Crowd1 kay Mindo, hindi lang basta tinutulungan ka magkaroon ng business. It is also helping you grow. No, it's also establishing you as a person. So ito yung kagandahan ng business namin. We are not all about the earnings. We are also about growing you. Bakit? Kasi pag nag-grow ka, mas kaya mo, mas marami kang kayang gawin, and mas ma-workout mo ng mga ayos yung ating business. And then next, we have the AfilGo. This is our online casino. But kahit dahil nga, di ba, online casino siya, here in the Philippines, it is not accessible. Why? It is against our law. No, hindi po katanggap-tanggap sa batas po natin or sa ating bansa ang online na sugalan. But ang gagandahan po kay AfilGo is even though na hindi tayo nakaka-access sa kanya, part of that earnings po is going back to us as a Crowd1 affiliate member. So imagine po si AfilGo, hindi mo na nagagamit. Pero part of that earnings pa din is pumupunta pa sa'yo. And ang kagandahan po, may nakita na po ba kayong kasinong nalugi? Kasi ako po wala pa. So imagine na yung AfilGo kumikita and part ng kita nila is babalik sa'yo. No, ang ganda pala ni AfilGo, kahit di ko siya nagagamit, kumikita ako from AfilGo. And if you have a religion that is sensitive in accepting earnings from gambling, okay lang po na hindi kayo tumanggap ng kita from AfilGo. AfilGo or Crowd1 respects your perceptions or beliefs. Kaya if you are sensitive with receiving income from AfilGo, it's okay. Pwede mong i-discrete yung yung earnings mo na hindi ka tatanggap from AfilGo. And then next we have Mixter. Si Mixter yung ating online gaming platform, no? Imagine, alam ko karamihan sa atin dito is eager na kumita. Lahat tayo eager na kumita. Pero lahat din tayo eager din mag-enjoy ng buhay, no? Mag-enjoy ng buhay in what form? So pinakamadaling mag-enjoy ng buhay is through our phone. Through playing through phone, no? recently nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, nagkaroon ng lockdowns and all, we people are locked in our home. Kaya maraming mga taong naglaro lang sa cellphone. But tatanungin kita, upon playing on your phone, kumita ka ba? No? Marami dito ang naglalaro ng ML, ano ba, COD or something, na gumagasa sila in paying equipments or skins or something, diamonds or ano. But tatanungin kita, upon purchasing or upon na gumastos ka doon sa larong yun, or upon spending your time in that game, kumita ka ba? Di ba hindi? But here in Mixer, if you play in Mixer, imagine, if you play in Mixer, kay Mixer, pag nagpapalaro yan, everyday meron yung tournament. Meron yung tournament. Siyempre, meron yung everyday tournament. Anong kagandahan doon if you're a competitive person that you really want to play? Now, if you always want to win while playing, take advantage of this Mixer. Bakit? Kasi if you win on those tournaments, may marireceive ka. At may marireceive mo, hindi siya basta-basta, no? That those items are guaranteed to have high quality on our branded. Ano ba yung mga flat screen TV lang naman, no? Mga gaming laptop lang naman, no? Mga partner pa ni mga products pa doon, meron mga Levi's, merong mga Adidas, Nike, mga ganun lang naman marireceive mo while playing. So ano bang gusto ko sabihin? That here in Mixer, if you play or you use your leisure, then you have the chance to receive those prizes. Kung competitive ka rin naman, naglalaro ka na rin naman, why not achieve more in order to have those items? And nakagandahan pa dito, kung hindi rin naman kayo ganun ka-gamer, kagaya ko, na I am playing just to spend my leisure time, it's okay. Because upon playing, kakaroon ka ng credit scores. And those credit scores can be used para mag-participate naman sa mga raffle. At ang mga raffle din is those items, mga flat screen TV, mga high-end na earphones, mga branded na gamit. And imagine pa lang po, naglalaro ka na, may chance ka pang manalo ng prizes. Plus, dahil nga partner company ni Crowd1 si Mixer, part of the income of Mixer is going back to us as an affiliate member. So imagine, naglalaro ka na, part pa ng income ng pinaglalaroan mo is babalik sa'yo. Plus, pag nanalo ka, may prizes ka. Ganun kaganda kay Mixer. And isa pa pala, that a lot of us is struggling in storage. But dito kay Mixer, pag naglaro ka, hindi mo kailangan i-download yung laro. Pwedeng doon ka na mismo maglaro. So you save up storage in your phone, in your laptops, in your phone. And that's a good thing about Mixer. You get to play without having the need to download the games itself. And ayan. So dahil recently nag-upgrade na si Mixer, meron na tayong Mixer Socials. This is a platform kung saan naglalaro tayo, Mixer.pro. A lot of you are missing yung mga laro nung sinauna. See, for example, the Pac-Man. Napaka-nostalgic ng memories kung saan nilalaro mo lang siya sa computer niya, sa mga PC. Diba? Doon pa tayo naglalaro doon. But through Mixer, ibabalik natin yan. Yung mga laro natin yung mga dati nating laro, ibabalik dito kay Mixer. And sooner or later, ilo-launch yung Mixer Live. Ano bang meron kay Mixer Live? Are you familiar with the streamers yon? Dito kay Mixer, pwede ka na mag-stream ng mga laro mo. In the near future, Mixer Live. Ano bang kagandahan if you are streaming here in Mixer? So if you love playing, edi mag-live stream ka na. Mag-Mixer Live ka na. Bakit? So, kasi mag-earn ka rin yan para din yung streaming sa mga Facebook or sa mga platform na ginagamit ngayon natin na nakikita tayo ng mga streamers. And then yan, Mixer Plus. And launching in the near future, multi-wallet. Ano bang meron kay multi-wallet? So, in cashing out or in withdrawing here in Crowd1, our earnings in Crowd1, pag i-withdraw namin, dumadaan po yan sa coins.ph, sa Abra or something. So, yung mga yung mga coins.ph na Abra, nababawasan pa po nila yung income namin. Bakit? Siyempre, kumukuha po sila ng percentage doon or yung fee sa paggamit ng app. Siyempre, ang kagandahan po dito, if we are to use the multi-wallet, as a partner company of Crowd1, yung mga mababawas sa atin or charge fee, lagi namang may ganun ang charge fee kahit sa bangko meron. So, yung charge fee na yun, mapupunta sa multi-wallet and part ng income ng multi-wallet is babalik sa atin as an affiliate member of Crowd1. So, yun yung kagandahan if you are using the multi-wallet. and the planet IX. So this is complete replica of the Earth. No? Ano mga kagandahan if you are a member of Proud One here in Planet IX? Ngayon pa lang, if sa webinar natin ngayon, hindi ka pa member, sinasuggest ko na sa'yo na magpa-member ka na. Bakit? Because this is currently in a pre-launch era kung saan namimigay pa siya ng prefix or sinasabi nating pre-hexagon. No? Take advantage of that kasi as time goes by, as palapit tayo ng palapit sa launching na ni Planet IX, which will happen in June or July, pabawas yung binibigay niyang peaks or mga hexagon. So kung ngayon pa lang nandito ka na sa webinar, I am suggesting that you became a part of Proud One to have this Planet IX. To have more free. Kasi pag dumating ng June or July, 1 hexagon na lang ipapamigay. But during these days, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 6 week na tayo, 11 or 10 hexagon pa yung bibigay. So, see the difference. Pag dumating na yung June or July, 1 na lang yung mapapagay sa yung free. But if you registered right now, 10 yung mapapabigay sa'yo or 9 hexagons. And that's an advantage of being a part of this webinar right now. So, bakit nga ba kailangan mo maging part of Planet IX? Dahil dito sa Planet IX, meron tayong 3 phases. No? Para tayong, dahil nga complete replica siya ng Earth, no? May mga lands din tayo dito. Ibig sabihin, this is an online or virtual real estate business. Ano bang meron sa real estate? Maraming tao ang nag-i-invest sa lupa. Bakit? Dahil hindi bumababa ang presyo ng lupa, tumataas ang presyo niyan. And that's a good investment. No? But here in Planet IX, parang ganun din, no? When we purchase a land, tataas yung value niya. And pumunta tayo sa resources phase kung saan pagagandahin natin yung lupa. Pagandahin natin yung lupa natin. And pag dumating na tayo sa full functionality, pwede na natin siyang ibenta. Yung nakagandahan dito, para rin siyang real estate business talaga sa tunay na buhay kung saan yung mga lupa na ipapurchase natin kay Planet IX, pwede natin ibenta sa ibang tao. At ang kagandahan dito, the prices of that hexagon or your land here in Planet IX is increasing. Tumataas yung presyo. So, if you are a fan of entering in the real estate business in real life, take advantage of this Planet IX. Bakit? Kasi tayo kauna-unahang tao dito. Ikaw yung kauna-unahang mamimili kung anong parte ba ng lugar yung gusto mong makuha or anong parte ng lupa. Ang kagandahan pa dito, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka at ang gusto mong lupa ay sa Dubai, okay lang yan. Eh di, ang bilhin mong lupa. Paunahan kayo. And then pagandahin yung lupa mo doon hanggang sa tumaas ang presyo at ibenta mo sa ibang tao. No. So, that's why I am suggesting you na ngayon pa lang, if hindi ka pa part ni Crowd1, hindi ka member ni Crowd1, I am suggesting that you became a member of Crowd1 right now. Bakit? Mas maraming ibibigay sa yung hexagon or part ng lupa na for free. And then imagine na nakuha mo siya ng free, bebenta mo siya ng mas malaki yung halaga. No? Imagine yung income mo doon. Doon pa lang. And I know that in the near future, ma-engganyo tayo mag-engage here in Planet IX because napapansin nyo naman na usually most of the businesses is inclined with technology. No? Take advantage of being introduced to Planet IX right now. Take advantage of that. And the next question naman, dahil nga multi-level network marketing tayo, marami ang nag-judge sa atin. Bakit? No, there is a misconception that the earnings of Crowd1 is from its affiliate members too. No, mga earnings daw ni Crowd1 or yung mga dinidisseminate ng income sa mga naunang members ay galing sa mga bagong members. Yun po yung misconception dahil nga networking yun yung recent na knowledge ng mga tao sa networking. But let me tell you this way of earning of Crowd1. So when sabi ko nga kanina that the member of Crowd1 is the projected customers of the products and services of our partner companies. Say for example, the 30 million members of Crowd1, say for example, kahit half pa lang yun, 25 million. Sila yung nag-purchase ng products and services. Automatically, dahil may purchase, meron tayong, tawag dito, earnings. Merong sales yung kumpanya. And pag merong sales, merong profit. From that profit, magkakaroon tayo ng commission. Bakit? Because as a partner of Crowd1, as the one who markets the product and services of that company, part of that commission po is going back to Crowd1. Kasi ganoon naman talaga, di ba? And from that po, part of that earnings or part of that commission na galing sa partner companies natin na pumunta kay Crowd1, will be disseminated to the members. No? Quick recap ulit, tayo mga members ng projected na customers sa mga products and services sa mga partner companies si Crowd1. And pag kumita yung kumpanyang yun, part ng kita nila is babalik sa Crowd1 mismo. And part ng kita na yun is babalik sa mga member. Yun po yung pagkita ni Crowd1. So I hope that I corrected that misconception towards you po, anak. And the next question will be how to engage in Crowd1. So I have shared to you the products and services that is being served by our partner companies and how Crowd1 earns. So I am imagining that ang sunod yung question, paano ba kikita dito kay Crowd1 or paano ba magiging part ng Crowd1? So first and first, pwede ka maging customer lang. Kung saan, gagamitin mo lang yung mga products and services. Meron ka lang access. At ano lang yung privilege mo doon or benefits mo doon, meron ka lang discount. And that's okay, being a customer. But if you are here because you want to be a earner, you want to earn more, you want to be a businesswoman, you want to, mas malaking kita, edi maging member ka na. Ano bang privilege pag member ka? Simple lang, i-refer mo lang yung mga products and services ng mga partner companies natin. I believe that lahat naman ng mga businesses merong ganon. No? Lahat po ng businesses, it's nagre-refer ng mga products and services po nila. And the privilege of being a member is you got the chance of four ways to earn. So for example, pwede ka mag-qualify sa sales bonus, sa active user pool, sa loyalty program, and sa peer of plus bonus natin. That's the privilege of being a member of Crowd1. And then, pwede ka rin maging entrepreneur dito, kung saan magiging business person ka. Mag-build ka na sarili mong team. What's the benefit of that? No, what's the benefit of that? You have 7 ways of earning. Kung saan pwede kang mag-sale, magkaroon ng sales bonus, pwede kang magkaroon ng active user pool, pwede kang magkaroon ng loyalty programs, peer plus bonus, sa crowd bonus, sa matching bonus, and sa residual bonus. Pwede kang mapasali sa mga yon. And that's a good thing if you want to earn here in this business. So let's start with the benefits of being an affiliate member of Crowd1. Sa member pa lang. Once you became a member of Crowd1, you have the unlimited access for free sa lahat ng services ng mga partner companies po natin plus discounted subscription. So as a customer, this is your only privilege. No, free access plus discounted subscription. Pero kung nandito ka na rin naman, gagamitin mo na rin naman yung mga products and services ng mga partner companies sa Crowd1, magpa-member ka na para ma-maximize mo. Bakit? Kasi may privilege din if you are a member of Crowd1. Po. Plus, you have, mali pala yan. Syempre, as a member pa lang, you have 4 ways of earning. But, kung member ka na rin lang naman, edi mag-jump ka na into being an entrepreneur. Bakit? Para 7 ways of earning yung marireceive mo. Gusto mo na lang naman kumita, edi maximize mo na. Nandito ka na rin lang naman sa business na to, edi do the best out of business. No? Maximize mo na yung opportunity na ginrab mo dito sa business na to. And how you will become a member of this business. Syempre, alam ko sa inyo, pag narinig nyo, mamumuhunan kayo, tatakbo na agad kayo pag may nagpresent sa inyo. Pag narinig nyo may puhunan, aalis na agad kayo. But let me ask you, anong business ang walang puhunan? Tatanong ka, anong business ang walang puhunan? Kahit small businesses, may puhunan. Say for example, yung mga nagtitinda ng wek-wek. Anong puhunan nila? Pambili ng itlog at pambili ng harina. May puhunan pa rin. So, ganun din sa lahat ng business, no? Laging may starter na capital. So, as a person, you want to have a business or you want to have earnings, mamuhunan ka sa sarili mo. No? Maglabas ka ng pera. So, kung nalalaking ka sa 109 euros, tanongin mo ulit yung sarili mo, magkano nang nagastos mo within this week? Within this month, magkano na yung nagastos mo? And tanongin mo ulit yung sarili mo, sa nagastos mo ba, may bumalik ba sa yung pera? Wala, di ba? I-equate mo yon yung mga nagastos mo within these 2 weeks or within this month. Alam ko mag-i-equate yan sa white package natin. And the next question is, kumita ka ba doon? Pwedeng kumita ka in terms of having the satisfaction or joy of using ng mga penalties mo. But let me ask you, naglabas ka ng pera, may bumalik ba? May bawala. But here in this business, pag naglabas ka ng pera, may chance na bumalik sa yung pera in ways that you can imagine. More ways that you can imagine. No, yun yung kagandahan pag may business ka. Bakit? Dahil yung pagkita mo isa ka depende sa iyo. No, that's the misconception ng mga tao. Dahil pag may narinig na may capital or maglalabas ng pera or maglalabas ng puhunan, takbuhan agad. No, maraming tao ang gustong kumita pero ayaw ng ways kung paano kumita. Puro pangarap na lang ang ginagawa. So, let's be those persons na doing something, no, para ma-achieve yung goal. Na alam ko naman tayo, kaya ka nga nandito sa webinar nito because we want to earn. So, do something para magkaroon ka ng earnings. At alam ko rin naman dito, maraming gustong yumaman pero ayaw ng ways para yumaman. So, kayo, influence na namin kayo. Sabi nga nila, if you join, pag ang kasama mo 5 milyonaryo, ikaw yung pang-anim. No? If you became an affiliate member of Crowdban, you are surrounded by people who have high goals, who have the courage, who have the want or the motivation to do something. So imagine if you are one of those person, no? Eventually, isa ka na rin sa mga taong magiging milyonaryo o yung mga taong gumagawa ng paraan para ma-reach yung goal nila. So let's start with the white package. Yan. Ang meron sa white package natin, meron siyang free 12 months member subscription, no? Free 12 months na magagamit mo si Mixer, no? From that pa lang. So in using Mixer, meron kang subscription fee. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs thousands. So if magpe-purchase ka na lang din naman ng Mixer, bakit hindi ka pa magpa-member? No? Magpa-purchase ka na lang din naman ng Mixer as a customer, magpa-member ka na. Bili mo na si White. Para meron ka na agad free 12 months na magagamit mo si Mixer Plus. Meron ka pang access kay Mindo. Magagamit pa si Mindo for free. Tapos, meron kang Life Trends na merong free 25 euros na voucher. No? Ganun yung kagandahan. So, if you are to purchase or gusto mo rin lang si Mixer, gusto mong gamitin si Mixer, edi mag-purchase ka na ng white package natin. And ang kagandahan doon, no, meron ka agad free na 5,000 loyalty points, which I will be discussing to you later. So, lahat ng dinidiscuss ko sa inyo, euros yung kikitain nyo. But, ang hindi lang euros is si loyalty points. No, si loyalty points po kasi, are you familiar with SM Advantage Card? Kung saan, when we purchase an SM, meron corresponding points po yun na ma-receive natin. At yung mga points po yun ang pwede natin gamitin in purchasing items in SM. Ganun din po yung kay loyalty points. If we earned in Crowdban through your loyalty points, pwede po natin siyang gamitin in purchasing the products and services of our partner company. So, ganun din yun, no? Kahit hindi natin siya ma-earning euros, magagastos din naman natin siya in purchasing the products and services. And plus, pwede mo rin siyang ma-receive in cash. Paano? Eh di gamitin mo, halimbawa, i-refer mo yung products and services ni Mixter or ay magbubuka from LifeThread, di gamitin mo yung loyalty points mo. Yung ibabayad, di ginamit mo yung loyalty points mo, yung booking in LifeThreads. Tapos, yung ibabayad sa'yo ng pinag-book mo, sa'yo na yun. So, kahit hindi mo siya mako-convert directly in euros or in cash, pwede mo siyang ma-receive from your customers. That's the use of loyalty points. And then next, we have the black package. Ano naman dito? Same with white package, meron kang free 12 months use in Mixter. Plus, meron kang access kay Mindo, magagamit mo si Mindo. Meron ka rin kay Life Trends, mas mataas lang yung voucher. Plus, meron kang free 1 hexagon in Planet IX. But kung ngayon ka mag-join, mas marami kang marireceive na hexagon. Bakit? Because nasa free launch pa rin po tayo. At pag dumating na yung point na nasa June, July na launch na yun, 1 na lang yung marireceive mo. But currently po nasa ilang weeks pa tayo is most probably 10 to 9 yung marireceive natin. So that's the advantage of that, no? If you became a partner company, if you became a member of Crowdban right now, mas marami kang marireceive na hexagon. Take advantage of that. And mas mataas din yung loyalty points na marireceive mo when you purchase the black. Ganun lang po, sa pagtaas ng package, sa pagganda po ng benefits na marireceive natin. And sa gold, if you purchase gold, meron ka ring 12 months na use kay Mixter, kay Mindo, kay Life Trends, and kay LinkMe. Ano po ba kayo si LinkMe? So si LinkMe po yung site kung saan or yung application kung saan lahat po ng links nyo, lahat po ng links nyo is nandoon na. No, lahat po ng links nyo. Para siyang business card. Na pag sinend nyo yung link sa ibang tao, lahat na. From your Facebook, to your Instagram, to your Crowdban link para maging downloads nyo siya or from or your link para makapagbenta ng mga Mixer or subscription sa Mixer, gano'n. Nandun na po kay LinkMe para siyang business card. And again, meron kang free 1 hexagon kay Planet IX and mas mataas yung loyalty points marireceive mo through gold. And through titanium naman, syempre, mas madami na namang benefits. Anong nadagdag dito kay titanium? Yung ating SoMe. No? Hindi pa ganun ka-liwanag yung SoMe, but from the word itself, social media, magkakaroon po tayo ng sariling social media platform. Na po. Ganun po yung kay SoMe. And ayun po, magkakaroon din po tayo ng mas mataas na Crowd1 loyalty points sa magagamit po natin in purchasing the products and services of our partner companies. So, nakikita niyo naman po sa pagtaas po ng ating packages is sa pagtaas din po ng mga benefits natin. No? If you are questioning na gusto mo pala yung black, then purchase the starter package. Tapos, i-work out mo yung white package mo. Pataasin mo yung loyalty points mo. If your loyalty points reach 6,000 loyalty points, pwede kang upgrade into having that black package. Now, gawin mo lang siyang 6,000 points. Paano siya mapapataas? Ibenta mo yung mga i-refer mo yung mga products and services ng mga partner companies natin. Or, mag-refer ka ng Crowd1 sa ibang tao. From your sales, tataas yung loyalty points mo. So, bawat kilos natin sa Crowd1, pwedeng tumaas ang ating loyalty points. And that's the goodness of this business. Pwede ka mag-start in purchasing the white package. And then, sipagan mo lang, no? Nandito ka na rin naman, no? Gusto mo kumita, edi workout mo na. From that, pwedeng mag-increase yung loyalty points mo into 6,000 loyalty points. And automatically, yung mga benefits of black is mapupunta na sa'yo. No? Take advantage of the opportunities that's being presented to you here in Crowd1. So, bakit ka nga ba nandito? No? Dahil gusto mong malaman kung paano ka kikita. And let's start from that. As a member, pwede kang sumali sa sales bonus natin. Magkakaroon ka ng sales bonus. How? Mag-earn ka sa lahat ng purchases na na-refer mo. Say, for example, na-refer mo si Life Trends, may commission ka from that. No? Na-refer mo si Mixer, may commission ka from that. Na-refer mo si Mindo, may commission ka from that. No, na-refer mo si Crowd1, meron ka rin commission from that. And that's the goodness of this business. No, sales bonus, para rin yan, para ka rin yung nagtatrabaho ka na may quota. No, yung mga, sino po ba dito yung, under ng sales po ang trabaho? Di ba pag po nare-reach yung certain quota, meron kayong bonus. And ganun lang din po dito. Pag na-refer niyo po yung mga products and services, meron kang commission. Simple explanation of our sales bonus. And active user pool. From the word itself, active. No? Kailangan lang na, pag nag-earn, earn on all the purchases that you are doing and have referred. No? Crowd1 active member, na kailangan meron kang one personal product purchase or every month. Or gives, para mag-earn ka ng sales bonus natin. Pero para sa akin, hindi na ito mahirap eh. Bakit? Kasi ang gaganda ng mga products and services natin. Hindi siya mahirap i-refer sa ibang tao. Sa Life Trends pa lang, magkakaroon ka ng magkakaroon ka ng discount. Hindi na siya mahirap ibenta. Mixter. Maglalaro sila, tapos kikita sila. So, kaya natin maging, mag-participate sa ating active user pool. And then next, nagdagban na to. Ayan. Next we have, active user pool. So makikita po natin yung ating pagiging active. Pag sinabi natin green, completely active ka. So pati ikaw mayroong activity. Pag naman yellow, yung mga downlines mo may activity kahit wala ka. And pagka red, wala. So monitor din po natin if we as ourselves is active in this business. And yung mga downlines din po natin. And then next, ito nga, loyalty program. Sabi ko kanina na yung mga pinapurchase natin na mga packages is may equivalent na siya na free loyalty program. You are very lucky, no? Kasi kami, yung mga pioneers dito sa business na to, is mababa pa yung nare-receive nating loyalty program. Ako po, no, every Wednesday po, ang nare-receive ko pong loyalty points is nasa 5 points lang po, no? But it's okay. But ang advantage mo dito is automatically, if you purchase the white package, 5,000 na agad yung sa'yo. So, see the difference. Ako nga po, 10 pa lang po yung loyalty points ko eh. So, if you became an affiliate member of Crowd1 right now, 5,000 na agad sa'yo. See the difference. Yung akin, matagal na ako dito, 10 pa lang. And you have the privilege of having that 5,000 points. Now, take advantage of that po. And saan ba natin nagagamit yung loyalty points natin? Sabi ko nga kanina, yung loyalty points po natin is nagagamit natin in purchasing, no, yung mga products and services po ng ating partner companies. But hindi po natin siya na-encash. Pero pwede pa rin natin siyang i-equate in cash. How? I-purchase natin yung products and services ng mga partner companies natin. No, i-refer natin sa iba. Tayo yung mag-purchase para iba yung gagamit. No, yung ibabayad nila from that is sa'yo na mapupunta. So, ganun din, no? Pwede din siyang maging earnings. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin for yourself. It's our choice. Freedom of choice mo pa rin yun. Kung gagamitin mo ba sa business kung saan ipagbubuk mo yung iba or i-refer mo yun or gagamitin mo yun, ikaw yung bibili pero sa ibang gagamit. No, it's okay. Kasi may equate mo siya sa cash. If you want to use that loyalty points for yourself, okay lang din. No, for leisure as your reward in doing this business. And activity streamline. So, kahit na yung, ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina eh. Ito yung binibigay sa atin for free. So, imagine you received as a beginner starter package, no? 5,000 yung free sa'yo. Tapos, every week, tataas pa yan. Paano? Open mo lang yung account mo. Maging active ka na. Makinig ka sa Mindo, no? Makinig ka sa Mindo, sa mga lessons doon. Nag-learn ka na, natataas pa yung activity streamline mo. How? Dito kasi, if we are active on our account or within 7 weeks, no, within 7 days in a week, no, binuksan mo yung account mo or nakinig ka kay Mindo, binuksan mo sa Mindo, from that po, mag-earn ka ng 7 loyalty points na i-claim mo siya every Wednesdays of the week. No, within 7 days po, no. And, mag-a-add up lang po siya na mag-a-add up hanggang sa maklaim mo ng maklaim every Wednesdays or Mondays or Wednesdays of the week. And, ayun po, if you're not active, syempre, kung sa 7 days siya kinakount, if hindi ka active, 6 yung makakount. No? If hindi ka nagbukas, edi 0. Pero active ka na next week, plus 7. No? Ganun lang din po dito. Sabi ko nga dito, if you are part of this business na maximize your privilege sa part of this business. And yan, loyalty points. Yan, nagbabase rin po yung marireceive nating loyalty points no, base sa rank natin. So say for example, ang package siya nasa UAC White. Yung loyalty points po na marireceive nyo from referring the products and services of our partner companies is i-multiply po sa 100%. If you are a black package holder, black package yung binili mo, or from white nag-upgrade ka into black dahil tumaas yung loyalty points mo, tataas po yung i-multiply yan ng inyong loyalty points or mas mataas yung marireceive yung loyalty points. Kasi kita nyo naman 110%. And ganun din po yun. Sa pagtaas po ng ating package or ng rank natin, sa pagtaas po ng marireceive nating loyalty points. So if you are a part of this business nga po, ulitin ko, di might as well make the best out of this business. So, maximize the opportunities para mas marami kang kikitain dito sa business na to. At ang kagandahan nga po dito, hindi lang tayo basta kumikita sa business na to, natututo din tayo. And then next, ito, Fear of Loss bonus. Marami po dito, ano po meron sa Fear of Loss? Say for example, you're afraid na yung nilabas mong puhunan dito kay Crowd 1, nilabas mong puhunan para maging part ka ni Crowd 1, is, hindi mabalik sa'yo kasi normal lang sa tao yun, naglabas ka ng pera, syempre, natatakot ka baka hindi bumalik, and that's normal. So si Crowd 1, nakaisip siya ng way para matugunan yung ganun takot ng mga tao. So from that Fear of Loss bonus po, within 14 days, say for example, na-refer mo si Crowd 1 sa 4 na tao, magkakaroon ka ng, sa 4 na tao, tapos ang pinurchase nila is yung starter package natin, which is a white. No, you have the chance to receive white gift code within 14 days. Paano naman yun? Member ka na nga ako, gift code pa rin ma-receive ko. It's okay. Bakit? Pwede mo siyang ibenta sa ibang tao. Pwede mo siyang ibenta at may encash mo din siya. No? Kasi marami namang gusto maging part ni Crowdban eh. Maraming tao nag-aantay ng opportunity. So take advantage of that. Be a blessing to them. Share that business and show this opportunity to other people. No, that's our goal. No, sharing this business to more and more people na nag-aantay ng opportunity ng kumita. And say for example, black naman. 4 na black yung nag-sign up sa'yo. 4 na black yung nagpa-member under you. Meron kang free na black gift code. 4 na gold. Isang free gold na gift code. And 4 na titanium, meron ka din free na titanium gift code. Paano naman kapag ka-mix? It's okay. Kung sino pinakamababa, no? Kung sino pinakamababang package yun yung mapupunta sa'yo. Say for example, meron kang isang gold, meron kang 2 black, tapos may isang white. So, automatically sa white yung magka-count. Meron kang 2 black, meron kang 2 gold, sa black yung magka-count. So, imagine pa lang, magkano yung purchase mo sa starter, ang purchase mo is the white. Kasi nga, ako nga estudyante, ang white ang purchase ko eh. So, say for example, white yung purchase mo, tapos mabibigyan ka ng free gift code na white. Parang bumalik na talaga yung puhunan mo, hindi pala parang. Bumalik na yung puhunan mo, plus, dire-diretso na yung earnings mo dito kay Crowd1, maximize mo lang. No? This business is not a one-time, big-time, billionaire na automatically, pag nag-earn ka is, ay, naging part ka ng business to, yayaman ka na. No, you still have to do something in order to earn. And we will help you, no? Dito pa lang sa presentation na to, we will help you, we will educate you on the things that you need to learn about this business. Plus, we are helping you to develop yourself as a businessman or a business person. Para lahat tayo, we have a goal of being successful together po. And ano, ito po pala, no? Karagdagang information, if you don't have, no? If you don't have the capability to, or the cash to, na puhunan na yung sarili mo or hindi mo kayang bumili ng gift code, mag-sign up ka kay Crowd1, tapos i-refer mo yung 4, or mag-refer ka sa 4 na tao. If nakapagpasok ka ng 4 na tao within 14 days, no, magkakaroon ka ng free gift code. So imagine you became a part of this business nang wala kang kapital, kundi yung sipag mo. Meron pa rin palang kapital, yung sipag mo naman. Tapos pag makapagpapasok ka ng 4 na katao, meron kang free gift code. No? Yun yung kagandahan ng business na to. And dahil nga, nandun ka na rin naman, member ka na rin naman, nagpa-participate ka na sa sales bonus, sa loyalty points, sa active user pool, sa Fair Applause bonus, edi maximize mo na. Gawin mo ng 7 ways ng earnings mo. Maging entrepreneur ka na. Kung saan mag-build ka ng sarili mong team. Para mapasali ka sa sales bonus, active user pool, sa loyalty program, sa Fair Plus bonus, crowd bonus, matching bonus, and residual bonus. Ano bang kagandahan if you are an entrepreneur? Siyempre, nag-build ka na ng team mo, more ways of earning. Kaya ka nga nandito, you want to earn. No? If you are an entrepreneur, nag-build ka ng business, nire-refer mo si Crowd1 sa ibang tao. Sa mismong Crowd1, magpapa-member sila kay Crowd1. No? I believe na lahat naman tayo ganun nagre-refer din naman tayo ng business. I encountered I'm not going to name that certain business kung saan halimbawa may na-referan ka or may napapasok kang employee doon sa business na yon or sa trabaho na yon. Meron kang percentage, bibigyan ka ng percentage, tataas yung kita mo. And ganun din dito kay Crowd1, no, this is sinasabi nga nila network marketing, magre-refer ka ng product, magaganon. Hindi po nila nakikita na lahat po ng business may ganon, no. Lahat po ng business is nag-advertise sa mga products and services nila para mabenta. No, ganon din lang po tayo. So wag kayong matakot pag network marketing, magre-refer ka ng product, magre-refer ka ng membership. It's okay kasi lahat naman ganon. No, hindi lang na-emphasize, no po. First thing first, mag-aano tayo sa crowd bonus. Ano bang meron sa crowd bonus? Dahil nag-build nga tayo ng ating team, no, magkakaroon tayo ng tao sa ilalim natin. But kami po dito, hindi na namin pinapriority na nasa ilalim namin sila. No, we are one. No? Sabay-sabay lang din kami. Pare-pares lang kami dito. Kami lang yung naging bridge para mapapasok yung taong yun dito. Say for example, ayan, merong pumasok sa akin sa left, si Jay. Na-share ko si Crowd1 kay Jay. So automatically, nagpa-member siya. Bakit? Nagandahan siya sa business ni Crowd1, nagandahan siya sa system ni Crowd1. And then, sinare ko rin siya kay Mark, kung saan meron siyang 60 points. Kasi yun yung equivalent eh. If you referred white, meron kang 60 points. So from that po, mag-earn ka ng 120 business points. Bakit business points? Sabi mo kanina, euro yung kikitain. Because this business is a international business, so para maging uniform yung kitaan, business points yung ginagamit. But 10 business points is equivalent to 1 euro. No po? And 1 euro is equivalent to 60 pesos. Ayan. See, for example, kumita na tayo ng 12 euros by just referring this Crowd1 to 2 people. No po? And then next, say for example, si Jay, na-refer niya yung Crowd1 kay Ara. Si Ara naman nagustuhan niya, kaya nagpa-member siya. And then si Mark naman na-refer na kay San yung Crowd1. And nagustuhan din ni San. So dahil lahat ng to, beginner sila, ang binili na beginner package, nag-earn sila and nag-accumulate sila ng 120 BP. Ano bang kagandahan dito sa ating crowd bonus or sa ating Crowd1? Because yung mga kikitain from here goes up to you. No? Kung yung pagpa-member ni Ara, nadagdagan ng 60 points si Jay, nadagdagan ka rin ng 60 points sa left mo. Ang pagpapa-member ni San, nadagdagan ng 60 points si Mark, nadagdagan ng 60 points mo sa right. Anyan po yung kagandahan sa business na to. Hindi po tayo complex, left and right lang po tayo talaga. No? The points from the bottom, ascends. Kaya dito, we are a team. No? Dahil ang earnings ng nasa ilalim namin or earnings sa mga nasa downline namin, ay earnings din namin. That's why dito, tulungan talaga. We are working as one. We are together in this business. And ganun din po, na-refer po ni Ara yung crowd 1 kay Al, at na-refer na rin po ni San kay Chad yung crowd 1. From that po, mag-accumulate 120 BP or 12 euros, aakit pa rin po yan sa'yo. No, yun po yung kagandahan ng crowd bonus natin. So, ito na po yung catch. Si Ara po, hindi nyo na siya personaling kakilala, but nag-earn ka pa rin sa kanya. Si Al, hindi personally nakakilala mo na, pero nag-earn ka pa rin sa kanya. And yun yung kagandahan dito kay Crowd1. So, kung meron tayong 1:1 ratio, kung saan isa sa left, isa sa right, meron din tayong tinatawag na 1:2 ratio. No? Ito po, disclaimer lang, whether, no, kahit dalawa sa right or isa sa left, or dalawa sa left, isa sa right, okay lang. It's your choice. No? Say for example, na-refer mo si Crowd1 kay Shell at kay Yen. Tapos, na-refer po ni Yen si Crowd1 kay Mariel. So, automatically po, ilan po sila? Tatlo. So, yung 60 points po, ni starter package na purchase sila na white package, i-multiply natin sa tatlo. 60 times 3 is equals to 180 BP. Imagine, no? Dalawa pa lang yung directs mo, tapos may isang pinasok si Mariel sa kanan niya. Ilan na yung kinita mo? 18 euros. No? 18 euros pa lang. Dalawa pa lang yun, pero masipag sige. Na-refer niya agad kay Mariel yung crowd 1. Automatically na 180 business points yung marireceive nyo, 18 euros na agad yun. And then, kung meron tayong 1:2 ratio, meron din naman tayong 1:3 ratio. Kung saan, say for example, si Mark nasa left mo, or kahit alin man dyan sa sides na yan, tatlong nila yung sa left, isa sa right, or tatlo sa left, isa sa right, okay lang yun. No? Say for example, yan, dalawa pa lang yung direct mo, no? Si Mark pa lang yung pinapasok mo, si Mike pa lang yung nagpe-purchase ng white package mo, si Lori pa lang yung nagpe-purchase, but si Lori mas masipag siya kay Mark. So, nirefer niya si Crowd1 kay Al at kay Fia. From that pa lang magkakaroon ka ng 1:3 ratio. So, 1:3 ratio, 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So, 60 times 4, mag-earn ka ng 36 euros. Now, from that crowd bonus pa lang yan, ha? Next, we have the ayan din, doble. Next, we have, mali pala, oh my God, mali. Ayan, ito po pala yung 1:3 ratio natin. Mali pala yung compute ko. 60 times 4 po is equal to 240 business points. Yan. Sorry po, medyo nalilito sa numbers or namali sa slides. But ayun nga po, 24 euros yung kinita nyo sa ating 1:3 ratio. No? Kahit po hindi nyo na po kilala si Isa at si Lala, no, tataas pa rin po yung na-accumulate nilang points sa inyo, and that's a goodness here in Crowd1. Kaya po talagang napapractice po dito yung tulungan system. Kung sino man pong apply nyo is natutulungan po kayo. Bakit? Kasi yung earnings ang nasa ilalim is umaakit din pataas. At ang kagandahan po dito, dahil nga kumikita kayo, kumikita rin siya. So pag tinutulungan niya kayo, kumikita na kayo by yourself, no? Nakakatulong pa kayo sa mga nasa downlines nyo. So yun po yung talagang nagustuhan namin sa business dito, the tulungan system. Kasi parang tumutulong kami sa ibang tao by way of giving them the opportunity to earn. And then next, we have the matching bonus. Ano po bang meron sa ating matching bonus? No, dito kung saan kikita tayo ng 10% from our direct referrals or the direct referrals of our direct referrals. No? Meron tayo ditong iba't ibang level. Say for example, our first level or level 1. Tingin po tayo dito sa to qualify the affiliate mas sabay naman. Say for example, the level 1. Ang kailangan na po dito, meron kayong 5 directly sponsored or 5 directly po na pa-member po sa inyo. No, level 2, ano bang meron doon? Yung mag-earn po kayo ng 10% pala sa level 1 sa mga directs nyo. 10% sa income nila. But ano po bang kagandahan nun? Hindi po nababawasan yung income nila. But si Crowd1 po, binibigyan kayo ng equivalent ng 10% ng kinita nila. Say for example, yung isang mong direct is kumita ng 10,000, 10% nun is mapupunta sa'yo which is 1,000. Pero yung earnings ng yung downline is hindi mababawasan. Ayun po yung kagandahan kay matching bonus. And then we have the level 2, kung saan meron tayong 10 directly sponsored na yung hinihinga natin or kinukuha na natin ng matching bonus natin. Ano po bang level 2 yun? Di ba meron tayong 5 direct referrals? Yung mga direct referrals ng mga downline ng mga direct referrals natin is nakukuhanan din natin ng 10%. And then it goes on, level 3, level 4, and level 5. No, parami lang ng parami. So ano bang kaganda kay matching bonus? Yan, para-practice na naman natin yung tulungan system. Napapractice na naman natin. Bakit? Kasi nga, pag mas malaki yung kita nila, mas malaki yung 10% na makukuha mo sa kanila. So imagine that you are earning while helping, win-win situation po. Yun nangyayari here in Crowd1. And then, ito yung wina-workout ng lahat, ito yung goal ng lahat, which is to qualify in our long-term residual income. Ano ba yung long-term residual income? This is the income that we receive every month No, every day of the month, no? Ang pinakamadali nating ma-receive dito is having a rank of a team leader. Next is the coordinator, the manager, the director, the president, senior president, and ambassador. So pagtaas po ng rank natin sa pagtaas po ng ating monthly income. No po. And kung nandito ka na rin naman, no, edi do something na. Maximize mo na yung opportunity being a part of this business. Pataasin mo na yung rank mo. Anong difference ng pagiging member ni Crowd1 at pagiging member ni Crowd1 dito sa residual income into being an employee? I am not against employees po, but we all know that it takes time to promote, na ma-promote ka dyan sa current rank mo dyan sa business or sa kung saan ka employed. But here in Crowd1, nakadepende sa'yo kung kailan ka, no? Kung kailan ka mag-rank up. Ano po bang pinagkaiba sa pagiging employee? Minsan, overwork ka na. Trabaho ka na. Tagal mo pa rin ma-promote. But dito kay Crowd1, dito pag sinipagan mo at nag-overwork ka, you give more time in Crowd1, you give more effort, you give more time. No, mas mabilis ka mag-rank up. No, nakadepende sa'yo kung kailan ka mag-rank up. And that's the goodness of this business. No, wala nagdi-limit sa'yo kung anong rank ang gusto mo at kung kailan mo gusto ma-achieve yung rank na yon. No, kung hindi nakadepende sa kung sino mang boss, kung kailan ka mapopromote dito sa business na to. No, ang main I am suggesting that you set a goal of being a manager on the level 9. Bakit? Mas mataas po yung kita. Mas malaki yung monthly income nyo. If I am not mistaken, manager 3 or manager 1 ba yun? Manager 3 nga yata. Manager 3. Yan, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 30,000 na po yung equivalent ng kinikita monthly pag manager ka na. Dito kay Crowd1. Pag nasa managerial level ka na. So ikaw, nandito ka na rin naman, edi goal na yun, i-goal mo na yun. Para monthly, may passive income ka na 30,000 plus. Para ka na nagtrabaho na may monthly salary kang 30,000 So, dito talaga when you maximize being an active income in the first, eventually magiging passive income ka na din. And that's our goal. That's the goodness of this business. It gives you an opportunity to have that passive income that you want. And ito nga, residual bonus. Ayun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, sa ating long-term residual bonus, kung saan every month po na nag-receive po tayo ng monthly income. No po? And from from discussing to you the ways to earn here in Crowd1, the next question will be, bakit ba itong batang to sinishare sa akin si Crowd1? Bakit ba itong babaeng to, bakit pa si Diana sinishare sa akin si Crowd1? Ano bang nakita niya kay Crowd1? Bakit siya naging part ng Crowd1? Because I can see that this business is for all. No? Kasi ako nga, estudyante, 19 years old, na may workout si Crowd1. What more pa po kayo? What more pa yung ibang tao? And I know po that every people have the capability to do something or to do this business. Kailangan lang talaga namang gigising para makita nila na kaya nila. No? One example of that is that, have you ever experienced na may nagtanong sa inyo? Say for example, like related sa life, or gano'n. Pero eventually nasasagot mo siya. Tapos hindi mo na-expect na alam mo pala yung isasagot mo. From that pa lang po nakita po natin, ay alam ko pala siya. Hindi ko lang nakikita noon. So, itong business na to, para to sa lahat. And if you are doubting if you can do this business, if it's okay, ako pwede nyo akong i-message. No? I-share ko sa iyo bakit kaya mo itong business na to. Bakit itong business to, it's para sa lahat. Bakit napakasimple. No? Hindi ka ito nire-require na IT expert ka. Hindi ito nire-require na degree holder ka. Hindi ito nire-require na may age. No, wala ditong age discrimination, gender discrimination, wala. It is all up to you. Anong kagandahan ng business natin? It is for all as long as you are 18 years old and above. No po? Kahit anong edad mo that you want to earn, edi maximize mo si Crowd1, it's okay. No, this business is for all. And dito, if you purchase or you became a affiliate member na purchase ka ng packages natin, you are a lifetime member na ng ating Crowd1. No, hindi mag-expire yung iyong pagiging member ni Crowd1. No, and then next, you will never be alone in this business. From our pa lang po, no, sa mga ways of earning natin sa pagiging entrepreneur pa lang. Kasi alam ko, nandito ka na naman, edi maging entrepreneur ka na, maximize mo na. Doon pa lang sa earnings natin from being an entrepreneur, no? Pag kumikita yung mga nasa downlines natin, kumikita din tayo. So, kung sino mang nag-refer sa'yo dito, I am sure na tutulungan ka na mag-earn, no? And wag mong masamain yun, no? Kasi baka naman yung motive niya talaga is to help you earn. But ang kagandahan dito, if his motive talaga is to earn from you, it's okay pa din. Bakit? Kasi nag-earn ka pa din. No, win-win situation pa din yun, no? Kung kumikita siya sa'yo, edi okay, as long as kumikita ka rin naman. And ikaw, kung nandito ka na rin naman, i-share mo rin business sa iba. Bakit? Kasi you are sharing an opportunity to earn. If you are blessed to have this crowd one, edi share this blessing to other people. No, gaya ng vision kung bakit kahit yung mga CEO na, kahit yung CEO at founder natin, mayaman na, nag-found pa rin na crowd one. Bakit ano bang vision nila? Because they want to be a channel of blessing to other people. And ano natin yon? If you want to be successful, i-duplicate mo yung mga successful na tao. Kung sila, they want to be a channel of blessing to other people, be that person too. Bakit? Ang tao po, no, naniniwala po ako na ang tao na mahilig mag-share ng blessing, mas lalong binebless ng Panginoon. So you as a person, if you want to share this business to other people, share this business po, no? To other people para magkaroon siya na ng income. And from that po, nag-earn ka din. Win-win situation nga eh. And from that po, parang pay it forward po, no? If you share this business to these people, at nag-earn sila dito, i-share din nila yung sa ibang tao. And you not knowing na marami na pala akong natulungan, no? Hindi lang short-term na tulong na pinahiram mo ng pera, hindi mo na binigyan mo ng ganito, binigyan mo ng ganyan. Ang binigay mo sa kanya pagkakakitaan na magagamit niya lifetime. No? Pwedeng ang kaya mo lang ibigay is 2,000 baht. Pag share mo yung business na to, business na yung binigay mo, at hindi mo namamalay na yung tinulong mo pala sa kanya is bagong buhay. No? Kasi maraming tao nag-struggle financially. And next po, bakit yung sinashare si Crowd1? Because they hear in Crowd1, your time is in your hands, no? Dito pwedeng 2 days, 2 hours mo lang siya in a day na i-workout, no? Nakadepende sa'yo because you are the boss. No? Ikaw yung boss mo dito kay Crowd1. You are the boss. No? Ang oras ang gusto mong i-allot kay Crowd1, it's okay. If you currently have a job or meron kang employee ka ngayon, it's okay, no? Pwede mo siyang gawing part-time or part-time mo siya or sa backup plan if you backup plan, no, secondary na pagkukuha mo ng income, it's okay. Bakit? Kasi yung oras mo nakadepende sa iyo. And then next, the potential future of this business. Imagine in 2 months, in 2 years time, no, we are currently 30 million na. No, we are currently nadadagdagan ng mga partner companies natin. And pagdagdag ng partner companies natin, pagdagdag ng mga commission na nare-receive ni Crowd1, at sa pagdagdag din ng mga dinidisseminate niyang income sa mga affiliate members niya. Alam niyo po ba na ang daming naka-line up na maging partner companies ni Crowd1? Bakit? Potential of this business. Imagine ngayon pa lang 30 million na yung projected na customer nila if they become a partner company of Crowd1. No? Ano pa kaya? No? Automatically, 30 million pwede na maging customer. No, kaya maraming gusto makipag-partner kay Crowd1. So sinasabi ko sa inyo, if they are partner of Crowd1, part of their earnings is going to Crowd1 and is being disseminated to you as a affiliate member of Crowd1. No, ganun po talaga 'yon. So see the future of this business that is going to expand. Sabi ko nga kanina, pag ang kumpanya lumalaki, nag-grow din yung mga members niya. At sumabay kayo sa amin. Gusto namin kayong isabay sa aming road trip to success. To our road to success. Gusto namin kayong isama doon. So, if you are a member na or nandito ka sa webinar na to, take advantage of that. Sumabay ka na sa amin, no? At the end of this webinar or at the end of this day, magpa-sign up ka na. Sumama ka na sa amin kasi kami gusto namin may kasama kami sa success. Kasi kami, kaya nga ako nag-share ng business kasi gusto ko marami akong taong kasama na maging successful. And then last but not the least, Crowd1 can be an answer for you. I am going to tell you again that being an affiliate member of Crowd1 does not guarantee na one-time big-time millionaire ka na after 1 week, after 1 month, after 2 months, or after 1 year. No, mayaman ka na or hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho. Hindi po ganun. You really have to work out muna, no? Ganun naman talaga, no? Kahit sa ang business. Nagsisimula sa hirap, sa tiyaga, sa pag-aaral. And then from that, after that, no, ginhawa na. So, pag may hirap, may ginhawa. Ganun po yun, no? At ang kagandahan po dito, answer to your problem. Bakit? Marami na po ako nakita eh. Experience-based na po yung nakikita ko. If I forgot his name, but narinig ko po dito na from being a taxi driver na daily, kulang pa yung kinikita sa pamilya niya, he became a millionaire. No? From someone na maraming utang is nabayaran niya yung utang niya and currently may sarili na siyang lupa. Ano ang sinasabi ko dito? Hindi dahil hindi lang basta dahil nagpa-member sila kaya sila yumaman, no? But ang kagandahan dito is meron kasing opportunity na nakita nila. And kami po, i-share namin sa inyo yung opportunity. And we will push you. We will encourage you to maximize that opportunity. At i-work out po yung, kasi yung mga kumita naman dito sa Crowd1, hindi lang basta naupo at kumita. Kumilos din po sila. At kami po, i-encourage po namin kayong kumilos, ipupush pa namin kayong kumilos. Kasi nga, our goal is to be successful together kay Crowd1. We are a team in here. You will never be alone in this business because we are a network of people. And then, ayun po. Before I end this presentation of mine, I want to remind everyone po that everything that happens or happening in our lives is a reflection po kung ano man choice na ginawa natin noon. So if you are currently having a hard time answering your financial situation or having a hard time when it comes to financially, problema po ba din yung pera? Isipin mo kung bakit po problema yung pera, baka kulang yung ways mo para kumita. Ano po? So if you want a different result, gusto mo magkaroon ng financial stability, gusto mo magkaroon ng stable na kita, edi make a different choice. Ano bang hindi mo ginagawa noon? Ano bang opportunity na wala sa'yo noon bago ka umattend sa webinar na to? No? Yung opportunity na kumita kay Crowd1. So ano bang naghihinder sa'yo? Maybe ang naghihinder sa'yo because this is a digital business. Kaya natatakot ka kasi hindi naman tangible yung products. Bakit ba digital business? Because we are innovating. No po? At sumabay kayo sa amin. Sabi ko nga kanina, ang mga successful na tao, yung mga tumatanggap ng innovation, ng mga bago. Yung sumasabay sa agos ng buhay. Kasi sila yung mga taong tumatanggap ng pagkatuto. Nasabi ko nga ulit kanina, na pag yung knowledge na mo ng hard work, mag-increase siya sa success. So, ang sinasabi ko lang naman, kung gusto mong may mabago sa buhay mo, tanggapin mo yung bago. No? Kung gusto mong may mabago sa buhay mo, gumawa ka ng bago. Ganun lang naman yun eh. Marami kasi sa atin, maraming pangarap, pero walang ginagawa para ma-reach yung pangarap nila. So we are encouraging you, no? I want to awake you that if you want to be financially stable, then do something to be financially stable. Kung nag-aantay ka ng oportunidad para maging financially stable, edi grab mo na to, napakita na namin sa inyo, grab mo na. Kasi baka ito na yung hinihintay mong oportunidad para maging financially stable ka na. And that's all about the presentation. And I hope na marami po tayong natutunan sa ating presentation. And ayan, unleashing opportunities up po tayo dito kay Crowd1. But favorite ko pa rin po si Impossible is Not. Kasi niniwala po ako nun eh. Kasi pag ang tao may perseverance and motivation or merong eager na kumita or para sa pamilya, no? Para sa sarili. Alam ko po na walang imposible because you will do whatever it takes in order to earn. And that's all po. Thank you so much for listening on my presentation po.